Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm using glue mixture leftover from my private lessons with Tish from Naptime Creations. She has a YouTube channel. Sorry for my phone, but I have to have it on because my postman will pick up my auction paintings, and I don't know exactly when he will come, so I have to have my phone on. I will use exactly the same things that I use with Tish. Please check her channel. She was a really good student and she gets some nice results with some troubles, but I'm pretty sure that she will nailed it. Is this the right word? So all my paints are mixed with glue. I mixed 60% glue and 40% water, and I will use permanent blue violet, extreme sheen gold, titanium white, extreme sheen sapphire, and magenta. I told you about colors because I want to talk about some other things while I'm doing this. So for those who participate in my live auction and bought my art, really appreciate it. It was a huge success. I'm really happy, and as I said, today they will go on the way to their new homes. So, and so exciting that I hit 100 subscribers yesterday. Wow, it's a huge thing for me. And thank you to each one of you who believe in me and subscribing to my channel and help me make my art. I really appreciate all these things. So, as I already said in my live auction video, I will do a big giveaway this Sunday in my live stream. So please join me, because I will do it differently. We will pick some numbers, and who will guess the numbers, it will be the winner. I will not do these giveaways with write a comment and then I do a draw, because some people just don't respond when they gain something, and then I have bad feeling, because maybe someone would like that gift but didn't get it, because some people participate and then just don't write me an email. So that's why I decided that I will do this in live. We will do just this pick a number thing, and first prize will be free private lesson, online private lesson with me. Second prize will be Fiona's Flower Dip First Aid Kit, and this will include my pearl white mixture, my cups, flower shaped cups, and some of my napkins, my magic napkins. They are not magic, they are just napkins. So, and third prize will be one of my paintings. So if you want to win something, please join me this Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel, and you will maybe be the winner. And today I do this glue mixture that I can convince you, and without pearl white, just with extreme sheen paints, that you can do a nice reverse flower dip, bottle bottom reverse flower dip, even if you don't have my pouring medium and pearl white. So when we did this lesson with Tish, flower was just gorgeous, so I hope that this one will turn out beautiful too. I will show you both results. I will show you the result from our private lesson too. I hope that it will turn out similar, that you will see. Because of course we didn't record our private lesson because they are private lessons. So, but I had quite a lot of this glue mixture left, so I decided to do it. And big shout out to Naptime Creations for participating, and she does really nice job with resin. So please go check her channel. I will put link down in the description box too. You find a lot of information about my colors that I use and everything else in the description box. So if you have questions, maybe you will find answers in the description box. So you're very welcome to check it. I will just touch this a little bit, not too much, just to make sure that everything is on place. Put my cups away, that I will have more space here. And let's see what will happen. You know that it's so hard to recreate a pouring piece, so I just hope that it will be halfway Beautiful that it was the one that we did with Tish. And it is quite similar. Not the same, but similar. And now I will torch it and bring the other one that it's already dry. I wish that I would have a little, I don't know, a little different shape, but it's okay. So as you can see, extreme sheen, glue. I just want to bring you the other one too. Works okay, and my painting dried okay too. So I will take you down for a close-up, and maybe this will be an interesting thing because we will see the dry result. Maybe it's a little shaped like a ball more than I would love to, but this is the one from today. See? A lot of beautiful lacing. And this is the dry result from our, just a second, I have to wipe my, sorry, hands. You see, it is dry, so that you will see. And all this lacing stayed on place. I just love this lacing on the outside with this magenta and purple and black. So I didn't turn it right way. Sorry, this is the right way. So this is the one that we did on live, and this is the dry one, and it will be a little darker, you see. This magenta dries a little darker, and maybe this one has a little more blue, but I like it anyway. Maybe just don't quite like the shape, because it's just, I don't know, maybe I will tilt it a little bit afterwards, but I just want to show you that glue works. So please join me on Sunday if you want some of my prices. Share, like, comment, and see you on the next one. Oh, and thank you all for being here and supporting me. Bye.